I was settling in to watch Jeopardy tonight, and I noticed that as I was settling in and picking it up just as it was ending the recording, my DVR said, hey, this program has 477,167 hours and 30 minutes left. And I said, that doesn't quite sound right. But I didn't know exactly how long that was until I pulled out my calculator and I did 470,167 divided by 24 and then divided by 365 to figure out how many years it was. And that's fine. We all have calculators these days, but there's something beautiful about being able to estimate something using something that if you're a theater kid, you already have in your head, and that if I play these two chords and hopefully don't get a copyright strike, you probably do too. And hopefully you just heard something and I didn't have to mute that audio, but then you know that we have 525,600 minutes in a year. And we know that we have 60 minutes in an hour. And we can use those two facts to say that we have 525,600 hours in 60 years. You do the algebra, that turns out to be true. So that means that 477,167 is less than 60 years. Can we do better than that? As luck would have it, we can with another little bit of trickiness. We say our number minus a tenth of that number. We do that, and we're going to get that's a 0. That's easy, thankfully. That's a 4. That's a 0. That's giving us a 3, and that's giving us a 7. That's giving us a 4. And that's real close to our number of hours we have up there. And so we have that this many hours is equal to 60 minus 6 years, also known as 54 years. And so what we have is that this is going to be 54 years and about 4,000 hours. And that gives us a starting point of this countdown of 1970, January 1st. Which you may have guessed if you know a thing or two about computers, but it's fun to be able to estimate things. It's fun. Remember fun? I think fun is good.